Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Just a reminder, this is my personal experience using the services discussed. WTC Communications offers a variety of residential internet packages designed to meet different needs and budgets. From basic browsing to streaming and gaming, they seem to have an option for everyone. Their website highlights several different plans with varying download and upload speeds. For instance, they offer a light package which appears suitable for casual internet users, primarily focused on email and web browsing. Then they step up to faster speeds with packages like the Home and Premium plans, which boast increased bandwidth for activities like video streaming and online gaming. They even offer a Max plan for power users who demand the absolute highest speeds available. WTC Communications appears to utilize a variety of connection technologies, including fiber optic, cable, and DSL, depending on the specific location. This suggests they're trying to provide the best possible service based on the infrastructure available in each area. It's worth noting that their site emphasizes the importance of checking availability at your specific address, as the plans and speeds offered can vary. Potential customers can enter their address directly on the website to see what options are available to them. The website also mentions additional services like bundled packages with phone and TV, which could be attractive for customers looking for a comprehensive communication solution. While the specific pricing details aren't readily available without entering an address, the site does suggest that competitive pricing is a key feature of their offerings. They also highlight various features like unlimited data usage on select plans, no contracts, and 24/7 technical support. Overall, WTC Communications presents itself as a provider with a range of internet solutions tailored to various needs and budgets, emphasizing speed, reliability, and customer service. It's definitely worth checking out their website and entering your address to explore the specific options available in your area to see if their services are a good fit for you. Remember to take a look at the links below for more information.